Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I'm so excited to share this Fold It Club with you. Now, just a heads up, if you're new to Stamps of Life or if you're new to the Fold It Club, the Fold It Club is extra special. It's kind of like the Card Kit Club because once it's gone, it's gone. So we do not put these on our website later. You're not going to see them anywhere but right this moment. So if you are falling madly, deeply in love with this one just as much as I am, you need to join the Fold It Club ASAP. Now, the monthly commitment's only 3 months. So after 3 months, if you decide it's not for you, then you can cancel. But you know what? I have a feeling you won't want to. If you're new to our clubs, go to our website, stampsoflife.com, click on Join the Club, and just watch that video. It's going to explain everything. It's going to give you all the benefits, all the discounts, all the goodies, all the info, okay? So go check it out, stampsoflife.com. Now, it is time for me to share this month's Fold It Club. And what's a Fold It? It's a shaped card. And let me just show you, I am madly in love with this one. This one really is so amazingly awesome. And I was able to include some die words. Normally, I'm not able to do that. This time I was. What is it? Ding, ding, ding. It is a lollipop. Now, I know the packaging really doesn't do it justice, so I always like to show an actual sample. But look at how stinking cute that is. Open it up. So sweet. Yes, it comes with those words. Yes, I was able to fit it in there. Look at how cute this is. I absolutely love it. Now, it comes with the lollipop itself. Comes with the bow, cute, so sweet. Of course, it comes with the handy dandy, a handy dandy postcard that kind of gives you some ideas. Lots more ideas on our website. Go to our online gallery and check them all out. It also comes with 2 different stencils. Now, one, this cute bow is an all-around stencil, background stencil, perfect for anything. But let me show you, my loves. Let me show you. So that is the fun bow one, right? There's also this one. This one is going to allow you to do some fun highlighting and shading and inking and blending to your lollipop. Now, just a heads up, this one is a fun swirl, but look at that. Woo, be careful with that one. Hold it down a little bit when you do it, but it is worth it. Now, let me just show you an example of what that stencil looks like. Look at how fun that is. So I just have these 4 and then those 2 because I was going to run out of room. You're just going to move it over and do the other. So don't worry, you have all of those to fill it all in. But look at how stinking cute that is. And with the hologram paper, isn't that amazing? So shaped cards are really awesome because it can be a shaped card, or it could be on an A2 card, or it could be, are you ready? On a 5x7 card. It can also be on a banner. You can make it a box it. You can do lots of fun things to them. Now, look how cute this one is. This is on our gatefold card, half gatefold card. Isn't that cute? Don't you just love that? I love that so much. Now, there's also, when you sign up for the Fold It Club, you'll be taken, after you sign up, you'll be taken to another page. And it'll say, do you want to add the stamps for another $8? Now, this is a $10 value. You're getting it only for $8 and no extra shipping on this one. And this is the stamp set that coordinates. Now, you're getting a lot of fun stamps with this one. You're also getting, I always include a mini version of the die so you can stamp the back of your projects. You can stamp your envelopes and have fun with that. But here we go. You're so sweet. Have a sweet day. You're a real treat. The world is sweeter because of you. You're sweet as sugar, it's so true. Life's more fun because of you. Perfect for the inside, right? Wishing you a sweet and colorful day. Awesome, right? Perfect little sayings, phrases, puns for this item. Now, I want to show you a couple other samples because they're so much fun. Also, these will all be on our website. So look at this one, just using the stamp set. Right? You can create a card just using the stamp set, which is so fun because it's just, it just adds extra, right? Here's another cute one. So sweet. Here's one. You could just say sweet if you want to. Having those die words, you guys, are pretty amazing because it brings it up a notch, right? Oh, look at this one with that fun stencil that I include in there. Look at how cute that is. Open it up, so sweet. I absolutely love it. Or you could turn it into a shaker card. Use your standard circle dies and create a shaker card. So much fun. I love it. Now, Fold-it Club members, you get to sit back, relax, and wait for this to get to you. If you are not in the Fold-it Club, my loves, I really, if you like this, you got to get in ASAP, because once they're gone, they're gone. Sometimes we do sell out before the month is even over. That's even worse, but we don't reorder it. So once it's gone forever. So make sure you go to our website, stampsoflife.com. Check out that button up the top that says join the club and just watch that video. You'll be pretty amazed at what we can do at the Stamps of Life. Thanks so much. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.